Hey everyone, welcome to my newly made YouTube channel. In this channel I will show you awesome tricks that you can do with easily available supplies. If you want to see my work in future, then please like, share, subscribe and ring the bell. The purpose of today's video is to show you few awesome tricks that you can do with magnets and electricity. Here are the basic material we will need for today's projects. Some uncoated copper wire, a wire cutter, a AAA battery. You can buy all these items from the links given in the description below. Some strong rare earth magnets. These silver color rare earth magnets are very powerful. You can do lots of really cool things with them. The first thing we are going to make is extremely simple. First of all, cut the wire. I have already done it. Wrap it around a AA battery. And form a coil like this. Attach two rare earth magnets with each other. At this point, we should be able to make a small motor by placing the wire on top of the battery so the second end of the wire is in the contact with the magnets. By doing this, you can see the wire has started spinning. Now let's make the previous ordinary motor in cool ways. And the first one is by using a candle. Let's make it. Bend the uncoated copper wire in this shape. You can pause the video to see the shape properly. Now attach a candle to it. Light up the candle. Now place it on the top of the battery. It looks really lovely in dark. Second one is by using cardboard, strings and beads. Let's do this. Make such a pattern by using cardboard, strings and beads. Previously shaped copper wire is used. Stick the pattern and copper wire using a glue gun. Leave it for 2 to 3 minutes so that wire and cardboard stick properly. Place it on the top of the battery and a new version is ready to rock. Now I will show you another motor which is slightly different from the previous ones. Let's make it. We will need a fidget spinner. Add a nail with two rare earth magnets. Place it on the top of the spinner and a small magnet below it. Attach the nail on the top of the battery. Place the wire on the top of the battery so the second end of the wire is in the contact with the magnets. Wait till the spinner starts moving properly. And the last one. Here is the interesting stuff from matchsticks and magnets. Let's do this. You can see there is no magnetic effect. After burning the matchsticks, you can see the magnets are attracting the matchsticks. Now you know some few small simple tricks you can do with magnets and electricity at your home. If you enjoyed this video, like, share and subscribe. Thank you for joining us for this project and we will see you in the next one. Talk to you there. Bye bye.